Hi, I'm Julie Robinson, Program Director for the Associate's Degree in Biological Science at River Valley Community College. Our program aims to prepare students to transfer to four-year colleges and universities to continue their studies in biological sciences or to enter the workforce directly. We provide students with a strong, solid background in mathematics and core sciences while developing critical thinkers who are able to reason logically and appreciate the nature and practice of science. Kids in our program take courses that are comparable to the first 2 years of a traditional bachelor's degree in biology. This means when you transfer, you can go on to complete a pre-professional track for medicine, dentistry, PA school, or venture into molecular biology, ecology, or maybe even environmental science. Our program has many benefits. In many of your classes, you'll be able to apply science, technology, and mathematics. We have individualized advising to make sure that the courses you take fit your future goals. Most of our classes are quite small and are taught by dedicated, experienced faculty who have multiple areas of expertise from across industry and healthcare. We also offer open lab hours and free tutoring. Biomedical research opportunities exist through the Embry Research Program. Through this program, students conduct real scientific research and learn methods that are traditionally used throughout industry and collegiate research. We've also developed course equivalencies with UNH. This means that when you take Bio 1 with us, it transfers with Bio 1 to UNH, saving you time and money. We also have transfer agreements with many colleges throughout the state. Additionally, our students have gone on to colleges such as Dartmouth and Franklin Pierce. If you'd like more information about our program or have any questions, please feel free to contact me. I'd be happy to talk with you.